Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, remote vehicle start, heated rear seats, floor mats, universal garage door opener, compass, heated steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.